Dryness during intercourse will only cause pain and make your lady to be uncomfortable. You need to prepare for intercourse because what you think that your lady enjoyed in the past might have changed. It's just like our taste when it comes to food. So that is why you need to explore. You need to introduce new things and not just, focusing on that one aspect that you have known since 1980. Please, you need to explore. So let's talk about how you can make your woman wet down there, because most of the time a lot of women are actually running away from sex because they experience which dryness, vaginal dryness might be part of it. So let's talk about how you can make your woman wet down there before sexual intercourse. Just so you know, women are totally different from men, meaning women like or want different things. The female body has a lot of receptors as compared to men. That is, we have erogenous zones. Zones. So like I said, we'll be talking about places you can touch, what you can do to make your woman wet. The number one on my list is for you to be romantic. Mr. Romanos, you cannot be angry all through the day. You cannot be the boss all through the day, and then during the night or whenever you want to have personal time with her, that is when you want to be romantic. No. Throughout the day, you need to be passing messages onto her. You need to flirt with her. You need to be romantic, be generous. As a matter of fact, do you know that when you wake up early in the morning and speak with your wife, those early morning deep voices actually turn on some ladies? So make sure you communicate with her all through the day. Make sure you pass messages to her during the day. Flirt with her, because why not? This is your person. Let's go of all this shame, all this taboo that comes with sexuality. Secondly, you need to touch the hair lobes. Yes. Most people believe that once you talk about, intercourse, the first place they will go to is either the clitoris or the breast. But no, it is not always like that. There are other parts of the bodies that have receptors that are emotional that you can touch as well. And one of them is the hair lobes. These hair lobes is not just that there is receptor there, it is also emotional. And then the neck as well. So the neck, you can stroke through the neck, the upper back, the lower back. These parts of the body are highly sensitive, especially the trapezius side. These places are sensitive and you need to touch them. When you want to build that tension that comes with foreplay, that comes with, sexual activity, you need to touch the thigh, especially the inner thigh, because this is like you're telling her that you're getting closer to the region. You know what the region is, the genitals area. Those are the places, but the inner thigh simply means that you're getting closer. Make sure you use your finger. Now, let me tell you something. When you use your finger on her lip, and in her mouth, it gives her this type of sensation. Mind you, I know what you're expecting me to say, which is you putting your hand in her vagina. Honestly, I will say no, but I know even if I say no, some of you will still do it. So make sure you wash your hand with soap and water. Cut your nails. Make sure your nails are not long. Make sure they are short and they are not dirty. Because when you put your hand inside a vagina, when you don't do these things, when you don't wash your hand, when you don't cut your nails, you're simply risking her to developing yeast infection and other type of infection, which will generally make her dry. So please make sure you maintain a proper hand hygiene before you put your hand there, if you need to, if you want to. Now to the most delicate and the most expected place that you have been expecting me to mention is the clitoris. But wait, do not just go directly onto the clitoris and start stroking and start touching when she's not wet. This is going to be uncomfortable because this place is very sensitive, but when you don't take care when touching, it can make her to be uncomfortable and this can cause her pain. So make sure you do it in a way that she will be more interested in what you are doing. Now, this is a little bit tricky. I know this is not going to sit right with a lot of people, but if you have a mature mind to understand what I'm trying to say, then you continue to watch the video. Make use of a vibrator. Make use of a vibrator that has suction on it. There are different types of vibrator. So make sure you are using the one that has, like a suction on it. And this is because when this vibrator is sucking the clitoris, it is going to make the clitoris area to be engorged and there will be supply of blood to that area. Just like when there is supply of blood to the penis, there is an erection. When there is supply of blood to the clitoral tissue, there will be, kind of erection. Not really erection, but like she would feel pleasure in that area. Just like I said in my previous video, that the clitoris, most part of the clitoris is buried in the wall of the vagina. So the one you're seeing outside is just part of it. It's just like the glands of the penis as well. But this one is that of the clitoris. Studies have shown that when you use vibrator 4 or 5 times in a week, you may get your natural moist back, which can improve your sexual drive. Also, during intercourse, make sure you are talking during intercourse. Don't be, lie down there like a log of wood and both of you are just there. No, make sure you whisper to each other. Talk about the things you enjoy doing. Talk about what you're doing at that moment. And make some noise and move your hand around her body. So I hope this video will help you to, rejuvenate, wake up your marriage and make you to enjoy your marriage, because I get a lot of messages regarding vaginal dryness, regarding sexual, disorder, and a lot of things that has to do with, sexual activity. So I hope this video will help you keep your marriage going and help you and your partner to be in a good time. And yeah, please like my video, subscribe if you have not. I'll link some of my video down in the description box so you can watch some of them that you like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.